We ran 12 AI pilots last year. 11 of them are still pilots. If that sentence made you wince, you're not alone, because here's the paradox. Your AI pilot worked and the business is still unchanged. A successful pilot can be the most expensive way to stay the same. Congrats, you proved the demo, but the organization proved its immunity. Welcome to TechFluent Signals. Today we're answering one question. If the pilot worked, why isn't anything changing? And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple framework to move from pilot to product to process and performance. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Stick around to the end for the antibodies test, because that's where most pilots fail. Let's take a look at this inciting incident together. Let's call her Nina. Nina leads analytics at an organization. She launches an AI pilot that cuts report writing time by 60%. Leadership and all employees clap for Nina. They loved it. People screenshot results. Someone says, oh, this is the future. But 3 months later, the team is back to the old workflow. The AI tool access has expired. No one owns it. The champion moved to another project. The pilot did not fail. The handoff did. Now, the top reasons AI pilots stall, even when the tech works. Number one, the pilots lived in a protected bubble. In a small team, clean data, executive air cover, no legacy friction. Then it hits the real organization and reality hits back. Your pilot was a greenhouse. Production is a jungle. The other reason AI pilots stall, even though the tech works, is because no one owns the outcome. Pilots have excitement, but products have owners. If there is no clear accountable owner, it becomes everyone's job, which means no one's job. Another reason AI pilots fail or stall is because it improved a task, not a process. AI often optimizes a step, but the organization runs on end-to-end processes. If you don't redesign the workflow, people will revert to the old process. People will revert to the old workflow. Automation without process change is just faster chaos. Another reason AI pilots stall or fail, even though the tech works, is because it's missing governance and controls. And this includes legal, risk, security, procurement. If they arrive too late, they stop the train. And this is not because they ate AI, it's just because they ate surprises. Another reason AI pilots fail is because incentives don't reward adoption. So if performance metrics still reward the old behavior, people will revert to the old behavior. People will keep doing the old behavior. The organization does not resist change. The organization resists unclear trade-offs. Now, to the antibodies test. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Organizations have antibodies. Anything that threatens existing process, existing power, budget, tools, or roles triggers an immune response. So examples of antibodies in organizations are, oh, that's not how we do it here. We need a committee. Security will not allow that. Can we pilot it again, but bigger? Let's wait until next quarter. Those are examples of antibodies within organizations. When the antibodies show up, your pilot meets the real customer, and that is the organization. Here's the path out of that pilot purgatory. The first step is to move from pilot to product. You ask questions like, is this a tool or is this a capability? Products have an owner, a roadmap, an uptime, support, training, a feedback loop. If nobody owns it, it's a hobby. Step 2 is moving from product to process. Map the workflow end to end. Where does AI input come from? Where does the output go? Who approves it? What changes in the roles? AI doesn't replace work. It rearranges work. Step 3, process to performance. Define adoption metrics. Is it the usage rate or the cycle time reduction or quality improvement or error reduction or customer impact? And tie those metrics to team goals. Here's a real world scenario. Let's go back to Nina. Our pilot reduced writing time by 60%. But leadership asks, what changed for the customer? Revenue, risk, or the cycle time? She realizes that the pilot only measured outputs, not the outcome. So she reframes. This reduces proposal turnaround time from 5 days to 2 days. This lowers rework by 30%. This improves response time to customers by 27%. Outcomes get funded, but outputs only get applauded. Here are the 6 moves that consistently turn pilots into change. Number 1, name an executive sponsor and a product owner. The sponsor protects, the owner delivers. Lock the thin heights use case. That's step 2. And this means you scale one reputable use case before 10 messy ones. Number 3, redesign the process, not just the tool. You update your SOPs, your checklists, and your approvals. Number 4, build control plane. The security guardrails, the privacy, the login, the human in the loop rules. Step number 5, train the middle. Your pilot champion is not the organization. It's not the workforce. You need managers and team leads trained to adapt. Those will be your champions. Executives approves AI, middle management installs AI. And the last but not the least is you change your incentives. Reward adoption, reward learning, reward measurable outcomes. Here's a deeper issue. Pilots don't fail because AI is not ready. Pilots fail because the organization is not ready to change identity, because AI forces uncomfortable questions. Who owns the decision now? What work stops? What works continue? What skills matter? What risk do we accept? AI adoption is not a technology project. This is a major mistake most companies are making today. AI adoption is not a technology project. It is an operating model project. You don't deploy AI. You introduce a new teammate that nobody has updated on the org chat. And this is the root cause of most problems in most organizations adopting AI today. If you're still stuck in the pilot mode, comment escape in the comment section, and I will send you the 30-day escape plan. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Share the video with your friends and colleagues and business partners who may benefit from this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.